yung lahat na kulong at na-release sa batas na ito, 1,700 of you, you surrender and have yourself registered with the Bucor. I will give you 15 days liberty, provided you make yourself available anytime that you will be called for investigation to have a recomputation, or if there's an investigation of corruption, that you cooperate fully. If you do not, then beginning at this hour, you are a fugitive from justice. And that you'll be treated as a criminal who is evading the law, and, well, you know, things can go wrong. If I were you, mag-surrender na kayo to the nearest police or military detachment, wherever you are now, because I do not need to have a warrant. I will just order them, and I take full responsibility for this. And all consequences connected with this decision will be mine and mine alone. I am ready to be investigated, and I'm ready for an impeachment, and I'm ready to resign if warranted. But that is my decision, and that is mine and mine alone. So anybody acting upon my orders will be treated as exercising good faith. Now, there is a law as related to us in the cabinet meeting by Secretary Guevara, that when you are released based on a wrongful interpretation or a faulty construction of the law, you can be arrested anytime because you have to serve your sentence fully, as the order is null and void. There is